Officer, please believe me, I'm telling you the truth. He is not a criminal, neither is he a kidnapper. He has not done anything to me. The reason you saw me in his house was because my uncle I'm living with threw me out in the middle of the night with his wife. So I had no place to go. So I was looking for where to take refuge. I went to his house as my friend and my husband-to-be. So after the whole thing, he had even gone to meet my uncle, telling him about everything. So when he got back, he told me to go back home. But I refused. I am the victim. I refused to go back home. It is not entirely his fault. That was why they laid all those accusations against him. He is innocent. Please believe me.
What about those expensive items found in his bags, which is incriminating?
To be sincere with you, officer, I do not know anything about the items found in his bag. But the one I can tell you now is that he is not a thief. He has never stolen all his life. He doesn't do like that, please.
Okay, I want to help you, okay? I will help you, okay?
God bless you.
Go and look somebody that will take him on bail. Then come along with the sum of 60,000.
Eh?
Yes.
Officer, I thought you said you wanted to help me.
Yes, it's help so that I will release you.
But I don't have such money now. It's too much. I don't have it. No.
That's all I can do. That's all I can do.
I'm begging. Okay, let's bring 10,000.
No.
Please, okay, 11.
That's all I can do.
What can she do? Where will she go? Oh, she's crying all the time. Life is misery daily, and she's so lonely. So she's crying all the time. Sorrows and tears, the pain is so hard to bear. So she's crying all the time. Life is misery daily, and she's so lonely. So she's crying all the time. Always crying. Sorrows and tears, the pain is so hard to bear.
No! It can't happen. It cannot happen. Hey! Not in this life. It cannot happen.
You're back.
Yes.
How did it go? What is it?
Do you know that stupid policeman released the criminal on bail?
What?
Released this kidnapper on bail.
Why must he do a thing like that? But Nai, are you sure he's not in the cell?
I'm just coming from the cell. That criminal is no longer there in the cell.
Hey.
But what surprised me is that the policeman knows the implication of the law. No problem. I am going to arrest him. But this time I'll make sure he rots in the cell.
Nai, please come. Come, Nai, come. If you ask me, I will suggest
we allow that boy be. You and I knew that he did not kidnap Uguchi. We are the ones that threw her out of this house. And don't be surprised that the police knows the truth now, and that is why they let him go. Look, the way this case is going, if we don't take time, we might be in trouble.
Hey, thank God. Mama, you just said the truth.
Will you shut up there?
Mama, what did I do now? You just said the truth and I supported you. So what did I do?
No, it can't happen. It cannot happen. At all.
Mama, tell Papa to stop, or else he will put himself into trouble.
Ijoma. Now go inside. Look. Oh yeah, go inside. Go inside, but punish you there. Mama, come on, Mama, punish me, oh. Oh God. Thank God, oh. Thank God he's been released from police cell. And that your uncle and his wife are very wicked. How could they lay such an allegation to Chimobi? Do they know what it means to say someone is a kidnapper? Hey, thank God they didn't send him to prison. If not, what would you have done?
It is well. God has vindicated us. Thank God for everything.
Thank God. But wait, what about your sisters? Josephine and Ijoma?
Josephine, that one. She has gone back to her husband's house after causing so much trouble in the house. That girl does not like me. She does not like to see me happy at all. Why Ijoma is the only comforter I have in that house. She's a very nice girl and I owe her a lot.
God will bless her.
Go. You're here. We're even going to your house. But since we've seen you here, it's all good. Obria.
We heard that the police arrested your criminal boyfriend. So we came to ask if he's back or he has gone back to the prison where he belongs. You know we are your friends, so just us more. What's going on?
Biamaka, is something wrong with you? Why would you be talking to Ugochi like that about her boyfriend?
What's wrong with what I just said? Keep quiet, I'm not talking to you, okay?
I wonder.
Can you imagine?
Ugo, Ayoma. We are very sorry, okay? Just take heart, Just that I don't know why those local champion boys won't hang their bags where their hand would reach. If not, Chimobi won't be involved in criminal case. But anyway, we are very sorry, okay? Just take heart. And my candid advice to you, our candid advice to you is for you to leave that boy. Leave that boy. Like, wait whatever you have with that boy before he puts you into trouble.
Very nice.
I'll see you later, oh?
Hey, come on, Agaji. So why are you leaving?
Have a nice
But we are not done now. And you could
Amaka, you are a fool. What is wrong with both of you?
You're a big fool. You are the biggest fool. What have I done?
Do you know
big one.
Look, Abokomu Ugochi.
Do you know what?
I am not Ugochi that you people will talk to anyhow.
Keep quiet.
If you do anyhow, I will do it. I should get out.
Yes.
It is you that will get out.
Will you move back?
Okay, you want to stay here, right?
She will sleep here now. Let's go and bring pillow for her. You don't even have
Ego, what is it this morning? I don't like your mood.
Ijoma, I thought you said Josephine had gone back to her husband's house. What is she still doing here?
I saw her when she came in. But I didn't ask her because it's not my business.
Well, my own is that she shouldn't just look for my trouble. She should be in her space and let me be in mine. Because if she tries to look for my trouble, if she tries to humiliate me again in this house, I will show her that Ugochi of yesterday is no longer Ugochi of today. He's getting water to drink.
Go on them. Oh, stop now. Go. Now you're talking. Takibia.
That's why I was really happy when she got married. At least I will have peace in this house.
Girlfriend of a thief. Just look at you. See what you have reduced yourself to. And if I am talking, you will open your mouth to insult I, Josephine. How I wish they would put you in that cell and lock you up together with that your criminal boyfriend.
Josephine, why do you like trouble so much? Why do you derive happiness in making troubles? Why is it that whenever you're not having issues with anyone, you're always not comfortable? Especially when it comes to me. What is your problem? Have you ever been mad before? Or you have lost your sense of time? What is all this? Every time you will be looking for my trouble in this house. I'm sure this was what you did that made your husband throw you out. Yes! If not, what are you doing in your father's house when you're supposed to be in your husband's house? What kind of nonsense is this? Why don't you respect yourself and respect your age? Listen to me. I tolerated enough from you in this house. But I will never tolerate it again. I will never. If you try any rubbish, if you try to humiliate me in this house, I will show you that Ugochi of yesterday is no longer the Ugochi of today. Ogeni, Agabafunugi. Good nonsense, Ibifa.
Hey,
Ugochi will show me Josephine. Yeah, Ugochi. Is it me that you're talking to like that? Is it me that you opened your mouth and ranting like a dog? Don't you have respect anymore? Is it that you have forgotten that I am a married woman? Is it because I came to stay in this house with you and it gave you that privilege to talk to me anyhow? If you try that again, you know what I will do to you. I am warning you for the last time. Don't try it again, or else.
Some people are shameless, and you're obviously one of them. Look at you. From head to toe, you are absolutely shameless. You open your mouth, and you're worried, or you're married. You are married. So what are you doing in your father's house? Aren't you supposed to be in your husband's house? At least by now we should be expecting a baby from you. And you're here looking for trouble. You said you would deal with me. You will do that. You will do this. Try it now. If I talk to you, what will you do? See, let me tell you. In fact, let me warn you. I have tolerated enough from you in this house. And I will never ever again. If you try anything rubbish, I will tell you that Ugochi of yesterday is no longer the Ugochi of today. In fact, I have lost the respect I have for you. You're very stupid. Hey!
Ugochi! Ugwekwesu! Is it me that you're ranting to like this? Huh?
Don't ever try it in your miserable life. No, get out! What's your problem? Are you mad? My hair on and making it easy. What's all this nonsense? Ever since you stupidly came back from your so-called husband's house, we have no respect for you in this house. Every time we go to this, every time we go to that. You have been using everything that belongs to me. You wear my clothes. You use my soap. You wear my bra. And even my panties. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Your husband can't even buy you pants. Your husband that you snatched. Couldn't he buy you outfits? Couldn't he buy you pants and bra? Onyenzuzu, inakwala. Ibe ina chonyi na choku. It's right when you're so. Iwanyawa. Mkwagi heti na ko. Hey! Ekomo.
So you have gone totally mad. I will show you today.
Show me right there. Try me now.
So you can beg. I never knew. Peter very well.
Coach, are you mad? Are you mad? Why must you fight my daughter? Don't you know she's a married woman?
Uncle, if she's a married woman, then she should respect herself as one. Or better still, go back to her husband's house and make the troubles there. Not causing problems in this house. I won't take it anymore.
Will you shut up, your mother? I shut it for you.
Uncle, you slapped.
And I'll do that again.
Well, I'm not surprised. You can go ahead and slap me as much as you want. I am not surprised at all. You're only doing this because my parents are late. Josephine has been frustrating me in this house for a very long time. And you have never done anything about it. Now she has come to tell you tales. And you're slapping me. Over what?
I'll slap you again and again.
It is fine, Uncle. Do whatever pleases you. But I promise you one thing. One thing, Uncle. Nothing you do to me in this house will ever make me leave this house for you. Because this same house was built by my late father. I will never! I've said it!
Can you imagine? Look at Ugochi. Look at Ugochi talking back at me, Uzoka. Hey!
Father, are you surprised? Are you surprised? But I promise her one thing. The next time she talks to you like this, I am going to give her wounds that she will not forget in her whole miserable life.
No, my daughter. There won't be any need for that. Just prepare and go back to your husband's house tomorrow.
Father,
Did I just hear you right? That I should go back to my... Papa, are you trying to push me out of my own father's house?
Not really. No. Understand me. It's just that you have overstayed your welcome. Trying to understand me.
My princess.
Everything is alright now.
Good day, my princess.
Good day, my princess.
The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears. Everything is alright now. Forget the past, 'cause you are new. No more tears. Everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears. Everything is alright now. Forget the past, 'cause you are new. No more tears. Everything is alright now.
My goodness. How do I explain this dream? Myself, Ugochi, walking on the village road, dressed in a royal outfit, with maidens, whilst the villagers were bowing before me, including my friends that never liked me. Agatha and Amaka. What type of dream is this? Wait. No. Does it mean that I will ever have anything to do with Prince Gozie? No, never. Not me. No.
Ugo, why are you here alone? I hope you're not thinking about what my father did to you last night, because I overheard him shouting at you. But I liked the way you talked to him last night. I'm so happy.
I'm confused, DJ.
Confused about what?
Last night, I had a dream. And up until now, I still cannot explain the definition of the dream I had.
And what's the dream all about?
In that dream, I saw myself walking on the village road, dressed in a royal outfit, with my maidens. And everybody was bowing before me. The villagers, including my friends. Agatha, Uju, and Amaka. I still don't understand. I still don't.
This dream is confusing.
Indeed, it is.
But wait though. I hope you're not trying to change your mind over Chimubi and marry the prince.
God forbid. Why would I leave Chimubi for the prince? I don't even like the prince.
Good. But did you tell Chimubi about the dream?
No. I mean, why should I do that?
I think you should do. Before you change your mind and go and marry the prince. You know I don't trust we girls.
Ijoma, how can you say such a thing? You don't trust me. So if anyone had told you that I would leave Chimubi for anybody, you would believe?
I'm just thinking you should tell him.
Stop thinking. I am fine.
Okay, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Please.
It's alright. I've heard you.
I want to see a friend. I'm coming back. Good.
But wait, you mean you had problem with him simply because you told him about the dream you had last night? And he's angry?
My sister, he was not just angry. He was raking. Yes. He said I've been pretending to him all this while. That I'm in love with the prince. If not, why do I have to dream of seeing myself as a princess? What concerns me with royalty? I don't understand. It wasn't a small thing, no. It was not. Are you here?
Oh, my friend. You know you're my best friend.
No. Yes.
And you can tell me something you can't tell any other person. Ngwan, tell me. Are you in love with the prince? Or are you planning on marrying the prince?
Ujunwa, how can you say such a thing? You're my friend, but you obviously don't know me. I do not have anything with the prince and you know about it. Fine, if you want me to say it again, then I will. I have nothing with the prince. Read my lips, I have nothing. I don't even intend getting married to him. Unless...
Unless what? Ugo? Unless what?
Ugochi! Ugo! Ugochi!
Ugo! Are you sure this girl is not planning on marrying the prince?
Ugo! Here comes our Joseph the dreamer of our time, in the person of Ugochi. So Ugochi, you did not see any other thing to dream of. Now Bula, Efumuwaba, Agatha and Amaka bowing down before you as the princess in Okwalia. Hey! No, take it easy. Princess my foot. Ebe ka monkey si weje gote banana.
Imagine the gods.
Is that why you called me out?
Osnogini. Calm down, Joe. You're not even ashamed of yourself to open this your mouth to say this nonsense in public. See, I am here to warn you. This is the first and last time you call my name in those silly dreams of yours. Are you hearing me? Oh, you're even smiling. Who is smiling with this one? And what will happen? So the reason you and Agatha asked me to call my sister is for you to insult her. Yes. Makagene.
Ijoma, don't worry yourself. Allow them to fool themselves.
Thank you.
You want to insult yourself, Sabi? Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening. Go ahead.
Just let them be. In fact, you fools to just get out.
Ah! Who are you referring to as food? Don't talk about food. Are you mad? Get up about boogie there. If you don't seal your lips,
Hey! See, listen.
You can say anything you want to say. You can run your mouth the way you want to run. But coming close to this sister of mine, whom I don't joke with, I will kill you. Try it. Hey! No, try
have to be patient a bit. My uncle will soon be here.
It's okay. Thank you very much. Eh? She is a wife material.
Of course she is.
A wife material.
Ijoma! Ijoma! Where is she?
Papa.
I'm off to this meeting, eh? When your mother comes back, tell her I've gone.
Okay, Papa.
Isheozoka, we are here waiting for you. We've been waiting for you here.
You've been waiting for me?
Yes.
What for?
Isheozoka, I sent you a text that my son and I will be coming to your house to ask for Ugochi, your daughter's hand, in marriage. And you are working out on us.
Point of correction. Ugochi is not my daughter. Ugochi is my late elder brother's daughter.
It's still the same thing. Your own daughter, your late brother's daughter. She's still your daughter.
Chikwendo, or whatever you call your name. So you and your useless son here came to my house to ask for Ugochi's hand in marriage. Huh? You want to starve Ugochi to death? Can this your useless son, stupid son, feed himself? Talk less of feeding a woman. Anyway, why am I even disturbing myself? You want to marry Ugochi? Ugochi said, take her home now. Take her home. What's my business?
Uncle, wait. They've been here since waiting for you. You can't just abandon them. Attend to them, please. They've come to look for me, please.
Ugochi. So you've grown wings, eh? To drag me on my top. Idiots. Try it next time.
She's crying all the time, always crying. So cold and tears, the pain is so hard to bear. So she's crying all the time.
I will take you to this Ebena, please don't.
Now, if everything you told me about that girl are all correct, she's your wife. She is a wife material.
Papa, I'm old enough to know what I want in a woman. I've never seen a girl as natural and humble as Ugochi. You won't believe this. She turned down a prince that has too much money just because of me.
Eh?
She's a wife material. I can't do without her. I can't even change my mind.
In that case, you have to come back. So we'll go to see Omona and discuss about it and know the necessary things to do about her traditional rights. Okay?
All right, Papa.
Let's go.
Uju, I came to inform you that Chimobi and his people will be coming to marry me formally. And as my very good friend, I want you, Agatha, Amaka, and obviously Ijoma here to be my ashebis.
My friend, I'm so excited. Honestly, you know me, I don't have problem. I am all yours. That in fact, even now I've already started as in getting ready, you know. But the only problem here is Agatha and Amaka. Remember you had issues with them the past week. And not only that, they've never really liked your relationship with Chimobi because he's poor. So I'm not sure they will accept you.
Uju, you and I know that I've done nothing to them. But because of this, my marriage, I will still go and meet them and tell them about it. If they refuse to come simply because Chimobi is poor, then I'll be so sendless. I will go ahead and get married without them.
Sister, if you tell them and they say they won't do their shebi for you, then you leave them.
All I know is that with or without them, this marriage must hold.
Ne, if I have a name, I can name me, so you can call on me on anything. Okay. I'm here for you.
So don't worry, Uju. Very soon I will send you the clothes for the yashibi. It's just 3,000 naira.
Congratulations. Congratulations, my friend.
I got a one mother for 1 year. Eriemo no ede job we be. Biagochi. So it is because of this rubbish you just said now that made you brought Amaka and I out here, eh? You want us to be amongst your Ashebi girls for your traditional marriage. Which traditional marriage? But that's by the way. Ugochi, let me ask you one question. Na niyo to ajuju. That so-called husband of yours, can he afford to buy the clothes that the both of you will wear that day? Not to talk of clothes for the Ashebi girls. Kitchen akajisi ukema Ashebi. Nemo. Akajisi ukema Ashebi. Oh. In conclusion, in fact, what I'm trying to say is that I don't interested. I am not interested. Else Amaka here is.
Are you okay? Me interested? God forbid. Bia, Gochi. Let me tell you, you better go and look for who do that nonsense Ashebi for you. As for me and Agatha, we are not interested, okay? Please, don't ever call us for such nonsense again. Just imagine. Ready. Almost ready. We do what is more than ready.
Agatha, Amaka,
what is it?
Don't you think this insult is too much on Ugochi? So both of you are insulting her simply because she asked you, her friends, to do Ashebi for her. That is her only crime. May God have mercy on the both of you. Amen. Chukumelu nebel. Rubbish. Ugo, my dear. Calm on down. You know, go. If you read your Oma here and myself, we are with you 100%.
Bagam.
I will get some other girls to do this Ashebi. If I say be no, or you don't deal.
What are we still doing here?
Let's get
That's why I made traditional marriage. Why am I called traditional marriage? No, now the one I call bye bye. Traditional marriage.
Bye bye. Must they be our friends? Must they be our friends? Stop crying. Okay, nobody falls. Don't disturb yourself over Ndala, beg.
Sorry. My son. Your father has told me everything about the girl, your wife to be. And according to what he told me, he said that the girl is a very nice girl. Wow, I'm happy for you, my dear. I'm very happy. And you know what? I give you all my support.
And I give you my support too.
Yes.
As a princess of this kingdom.
My darling.
My son. As you can see, everybody's in support of your marriage. Lolo, your mother, Princess Oledo, they're all in support. I'm also in support. I'm going to instruct the guys to gather my cabinet chief together so that they could plan on how to carry out the traditional marriage.
Yes.
Princess Oledo, I want you to gather the maidens together and instruct them what to do on that day so that everything will be glamorous.
Yes. I don't even know that my son will have an eyes like his father.
Like father, like son, they used to say, remember? So are you happy?
Good afternoon, my princess.
Thank you. I want you all to listen to me. My brother, Prince Shimobi, is about getting married. And I want you all to get ready and prepare yourself well. And also, go to the palace design and get your measurements because all of you are going to be among the Ashobis. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my princess.
And you get me some oranges.
Thank you, my princess.
The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, cause you are new. No more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, cause you are new. No more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright.
I don't know. It is whenever. Where are Boon now?
Who owns all these canopies?
I don't know. I said I don't know. I was just passing by. I saw the canopy. I entered and see the whole thing like this. I don't know. I don't know.
No more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, cause you are new. No more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, cause you are new. No more tears, everything is alright now.
Getting married to. I have no money. You and I know that Chimobi I'm getting married to cannot afford all this. So what are you talking about? I don't know. See, I'm sure they missed their way.
Exactly.
Let me find out. I'm sorry, but please, if I may ask, who sent you people to set all this here?
We are here for Prince Chimobi and Ugochi's traditional marriage.
Prince Chimobi?
Yeah.
Oh, I said it. They missed their way, obviously. My husband to be is not a prince. He has nothing to do with royalty, so I don't know why.
Is this not Ichie Uzoka's compound?
It is. But I'm sure you missed your way. My own Chimobi, it might be another Ugochi, not my own Ugochi.
No, Prince called us. We are here for Prince Chimobi and Ugochi's traditional marriage.
People married people. What was happening here? I'm as confused as you are. If I tell you that I know what is happening here, then I'm a complete lie. I just came out. This is my traditional marriage. Fine. But you and I know that Chimobi has no money to set all this.
Boys, please, let's go. Yes, thank you.
I'm going to wall. I want to have
Where are they? I need to hear this today.
I'm at the Bible.
Papa! Mama!
I'll be packing them.
Papa! Mama!
What is it? What is it?
Papa!
Who is after you?
So you both are here working? Eh? And you've forgotten that today is Ugochi's traditional marriage.
Is that why you are here? I thought something important has happened, Ijoma.
And it might interest you to know that something more important is happening at home now. Come to the house and see. Ugochi's traditional marriage is not something you people expected before. Come, if you get there, a lot of people are there with canopies, cooling van, drinks. People are there.
Is this a joke or what?
Mama, you're asking me if I'm joking. Okay, you people should stay here and work. As for me, I want to go and witness everything that is going on there. Hey!
Are you still here? Bokuta's no, be coming.
Oh!
I want about one in Igwe. There are two.
Hey!
Marriage. To drop Amaka! I won't take you so long.
I'm sorry, I was dressing now.
Anyway, I am ready. Like I am well ready to laugh for as much as I want today. Traditional marriage. I am just prepared to go and see that Obako in form of traditional marriage. I wonder if up to 10 people will attend that occasion. Hey. Chimobi go to traditional marriage.
See, the main reason I am going there is to see the rags. Those are shabby of the things we were going. I can't really to laugh my laugh out today. I swear down. Please, let's go now. Look at the time.
It's not rags. That is if Chimobi and Ugochi can afford to buy rags. You should know now. They cannot buy rags. Anyway, I am prepared. Check me out now. I'm going to go traditional marriage. I'm going there to laugh myself out. Check out the place. Traditional marriage, go!
of Umuago Kingdom, of Amago Kingdom, we want to announce the arrival of Igwe Chikwendo of Amago Kingdom and Team Prince Chimobi. Alolo Ugobese, Princess Oledo. Yes, we want to announce the arrival of Igwe Chikwendo and Prince Chimobi, Lolo Gobese, Princess Oledo, and their entourage. Igwe, you are welcome. Igwe!
My love, I know you are surprised, but relax. I will explain later. This is for you and your friends. Go and change.
Right for you, wipe your tears. Everything is alright now. Forget the past, 'cause you are new. No more tears. Everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you.
Dikeh, Dikeh, Gilliam, Look at you, come see what Melo can I believe a Dikeh no more. There will be a Dikeh without your Dikeh. It will be more than Dikeh finds you with a Wakalaru or no fire. Look at Dikeh, see a Malivan Dikeh, Dikeh, Kataka Dikeh, Balagumba.
Ishe Uzoka, please bring our wife.
Yes, let's go down. Yes.
I greet you all. I know a lot of people will be surprised on what is happening here today, because nobody expected my son Prince Chimaobi to dress like this. Let me tell you people something. My son came to this village to look for a wife. And that's why he disguised himself like a poor man. And thank God today, he succeeded in getting a wife. Because he wants a wife who will love him for who he is, and not what he is. And that was how I married my wife. Ugochi, my daughter, you are a good and a lucky girl. You are a wife, not a girlfriend. I'm happy you are coming to my family. Ishe Uzoka, I remember the day my son and I came to your house to ask for Ugochi's hand in marriage. You maltreated us. You treated us like a leper. But I've forgiven you. Could you please give Ugochi wine to show us her husband?
Asina mmegbu ada n'eze na akala ugo ebumpụta ụwa enwere mfiche. Nobody stops destiny. When you are destined, you are destined. My late elder brother's daughter here, Ugochi, is a wonderful person. In fact, she is one of the best of the best you can think of. She is a wife material. The best for any home. Worthy of emulation. I want others here to take a cue from Ugochi. It's a standard that is worthy of emulation. She is the best you can get among her peers. Adam, iye jekweni joma o makana akala ugo enwere mbiche. Na mmanya ịmala onye a na-ekwu ọ dị n'obi a ihe ọ bụla ibunyere mmanya ebe a ama na ibe a na-awụrụ apịarị nke ebere na mgbagbu mgbajie ilukwe ọwụ ikpele na abụrụ na ka nwa ewu ji anwụ nne ya ebuse ekene eze ebuse bunye mmanya iko m agbara aka wee nata o mgbajie adema.
The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, cause you are new. No more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, cause you are new. No more.
Dulu mwana eke, dulu mwana oye, dulu mwana wa, dulu mwana nkwo. Unu ga mu ozuzu eke, mu ozu oye, mu ozu abo, mu ozu nkwo. Ovu na-eju. Unu ga na-ejeje na abata. Ngwa unu ji eke ọma akwanara unu. Unu dukugo, ya fulugo ya jale ngo mma. Abala unu.
How would we have known that Chimobi Aina Fuka Rifra, Chimobi Aina Fuka nothing, Chimobi that we refer to as zero identity human being, it's a prince. How on earth would we have known? Imagine. Do you know that this world is so strange? What you? And in fact, this world is just unpredictable. Life itself is unpredictable.
Imagine what you have yesterday. We have been insulting, calling her all sorts of names. Is now a princess. God, Amaka, you are a fool. I say you are a big fool, the biggest fool in this life. I was so stupid. God.
I am very stupid. In fact, I'm an idiot for not making use of this brain for free. Just imagine. But no problem. As you know, if Madam Otefe, from now onwards, any man that approach me, I will just be loyal. Be it Baro Pushao, Pamwan Tapao, or Fenafio, Pama. Because that person might be the son of president of this country. Mama, no, I feel you no can say I feel. So, Ugochi is not a princess.
You are talking about a Baro Pusha, the pure water seller. All these guys that are selling granite on the road, I don't care. I will just grab all of them. God, I'm just a big fool, I swear. I'm just a big fool, biggest fool in this life. Please, let's go home, please.
She will be prince. You go to princess.
So this is reality.
So this is not a dream. I, Ugochi, a wife to the prince, and the future queen of Amavo Kingdom to be. Hey! Someone should just wake me up from this dream. I never believed in my life that I would be in a mansion like this. It took more of being the wife of a prince. Hey, God. God, I thank you all. I mean, I can't thank you enough for everything you have done for me. You've been so amazing. How on earth have I ever imagined that I will ever be in a house like this?
Cause you are new, no more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears, everything is alright now.
Sorry, my princess. Is there anything I can do for you?
You? You again? Have you not been the one parading yourself as the prince of this kingdom when you are just a mere guard to my husband? If I may ask, what was your reason for what you did?
Sorry, my princess, you won't understand. You won't understand.
Make me understand. Why did you do that?
Well, it was all the prince's idea. At least the entire palace have known you now to be a good woman that is not after money, that truly loves the prince. That's all that counts, my princess.
Cause you are new, no more tears, everything is alright now.
Hey.
Hey, good.
Hey.
Don't start a big.
Hey, Ugo, baby.
My dear.
My friend, you're lucky.
Abi?
Honestly, see your clothes. Looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Princess Ugochi. Chimobi Chikwendo.
Oh, my head is
Princess
big.
Oh, in parentheses.
My head is big. Please stop.
My friend, I beg, let it be big. See mansion. Hi, my friend. So you're the one living here.
Am I not blessed? It's God.
My sister, you're lucky.
Thank you.
I pray God will also remember me. I wish to be like you, honestly.
Don't ever wish to be like anyone, because we have different destinies. Okay. Just wish to be better than me. That's all.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
I'm saying the truth, you know.
But here and get it. My princess.
Thank you, my darling.
Thank
you, my darling.
Na Chimobi. So you mean all this while you've been living with me in my village, drinking garri with me, that you came from a very mighty home? A prince for that matter.
A prince? It's okay. Listen, it makes no difference, okay? You are still my friend and we are still really well. You see, sometimes you don't need to show your true color until when it's necessary. Yeah. I did all that to test Ugochi. Yes. I needed to know if she truly loves me for who I am, not what I stand for. Yes. But that her uncle really dealt with her.
It's wicked.
Man, it's mean. I wanted to lose my temper at some point, but on a second thought I was like, no. My mission is more important.
Of course, of course.
And here we are.
Yes, who are you? And what are you looking for?
We are looking for the princess.
Which of the princesses?
Princess Ugochi, the princess' wife.
I'm coming.
Thank you very much. If rock hard. Oh, different out of
Princess.
Hi, Etiko.
And 2 girls are standing outside. They said they want to see you.
2 girls?
Yeah.
Who are they?
I don't know.
What are their names?
I don't know.
You didn't ask them? Okay, let them in.
Oh, Dikeh na adịghị mma. Na ka ọ na-adị.
Ọma ndị bụ mma. Nwe tinye sugar na ọ na ọgbọfie. Mana my friend, your moon dey shine, no. Honestly.
I thank God.
Honestly.
I thank God. God has.
God, I beg. Remember me.
Hold it there. Don't come further. What are you doing in my house? Ugochi, please. Ugochi, Biko. Hey, Biko.
Tinye Princess Ugochi, oh?
Princess Ugochi, please. Forgive me. I never knew what I was doing. It was my quest for contacts and connections. I never knew that the Chimobi that have belittled. It's a prince. Biko, forgive me. What
did I ever do to you girls? I loved you like my own. I wanted the best for you. But none of you ever liked me. Every now and then you curse me, you curse my friend.
Please. I'm very, very sorry for all the pains I've caused you. Please, I beg you. Please. Even if you want us to be among your maidens, we will do it. Just forgive us, please. I beg you, please.
Remember we are childhood friends. Don't be good for me, please.
You're sorry.
We're friends. You call me all sorts of names. What kind of friend are you? The two of you could have made me committed suicide. You never liked me. Hey, so no. I did something more not to like Ugochi.
Can you please get up and leave? Do you want me to send the guards on you?
It's alright, my love. It's alright.
This girls really hurts me.
It's alright.
My childhood has been childhood unspeakable.
My love. Weak people, revenge. Strong people, forgive. Please forgive them.
Anything you say, my king.
Thank you so much for this movie. Thank you, Princess. Thank you.
Entertain them.
Thank you.
Please forgive me. Forgive me, Prince. Forgive my family. Forgive my wife. I'm here to beg for your forgiveness. Forgive us for our excesses and our dastardly acts. Prince, to err is human and to forgive is divine. My wife would have been here with me to beg, but the guilty is afraid. When she reflected on all that happened, she slumped. Please forgive me, forgive my family.
Idi Amin. So I have only one word for you. No one. I repeat, no one knows tomorrow. I have forgiven you.
I forgive you too.
Thank you. Please snap on me because na me wada nese. Adam jenu mama. Yeah, mama, na me wada nese.
Wipe your tears, everything is alright now. Forget 'cause you are new. No more tears,